Have a good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Sheila, 37 years of age, married with blessed two lovely daughter. I am a high school graduate. I am a Christian and I am from the Philippines. This is my first time to applying work abroad. My experience is taking care of 0-month-old baby from one couple from 2015 to 2018. And I worked in a hotel for 3 years as all around. We do cleaning, vacuuming, washing clothes, and beddings. My, fu- my future, to my future employer, if you hired me, I will promise that I will do my best. I am a hardworking, honest, and I will do my job without supervision. And I hope you like my video, and that's all. Thank you so much.